and nami mangivuka ekseni ngemsebenzini imoto kamama wekhaya ayibe right bengenankinga ayisebenzisayo ngayidlula nje emgwaqweni right ngahamba ngaye emsebenzini. But an hour later, I think bengaboma 7 ekseni, then I received a call yokuthi isibreakiwe yashawa iwind. Let me just show you what happened kuyo le moto. Baliphahlazile iwind njengoba ungabona. Maliphahlazekile ke, then there is proof yako konke okwenzekile laphansi njalo njalo kunento ekhona. Well, normally ke ey'ntweni njengalezo uyafonela amaphoyisa ukuthi the first place to go is to call the police. Then I called the police, or I started calling friends emaphoyiseni, even the highest police office of a province, just for advice. I'm on air right now, 9 yenzekile yini. So knowing ukuthi indawo ofanele ngireporte kuyona, it's called Berea Police Station. So after the show, I drove to Berea Police Station. I didn't want to touch the car. So that my fingerprint abo angasaleli, like, because whoever did this, there might be fingerprints if they were not using my gloves and stuff. And then so that the police as well as touch information, I think. If it's a sergeant, a whole sergeant, to tell mama who Sergeant Hlongwane. What mama Sergeant Hlongwane one indawo yakho okuyona ifola under Durban Central. So amaphoyisa ase what's a place called ase Berea, they will not help you kuloko. So ngathi okay, no, it's fine. So but ungalivula icala, I just want to quote njengokusho kwakhe, ungalivula icala ayikho inkinga, ungalivula icala khona la. And then hey, my apologies, go kuphele ibhetri. So ke thi ungalivula ke icala la, but you won't get I shouldn't, you won't get a case number. Angifuni ukusho amagama ngawashongo, but something like that won't help you with insurance. But I insist ukuthi what you need to do is to go to Durban Central. But even that Durban Central won't come to your place. Bezothatha my fingerprint. You must drive the car to the police station. And my question was, Mamu Hlongwane kanjani phela, because manje if sengiqala ngidrayiva le moto, it's like kuzobe sengicontaminate ubufakazi obukhona, because it's more of indawo kwenzeka isigameko. Ngizoyidrayiva kanjani, because mangithinta ama-fingerprint lafanele bawathathe laba bantu azobe seyathinteka. Uthi exact word, zama ukuyidrayiva kodwa ingathinteki. Bese I stand to be corrected. Sayitshena uthi zama ukuyidrayiva kodwa ingathinteki, but she stands to be corrected. If ubonile part 1, I'm so sorry, part 1 has to uye wakhatheka ngenxa yokuthi ngiphelelwe ibhetri while I was still live. There is no way kufanele ngivule isivalo saleya moto, kufanele ngithinte steering. I don't even know ukuthi nabayintshontshile phakathi. I really don't know. Yeah, that's an issue, man. Kuningi on your birthday, kuningi. But yeah, Monday Chojwanga, that's all that matters. Athi kulukulu ndingabolwa dina anothula ngiyonilwela. However, ophihlisa le moto yefro, iBhayibheli uthinta nina thinta inhlamvu yeso lami. Thinta nina thinta inhlamvu yeso lami. I pray that will be grace. You're going to repent wherever you are. If you are looking at this video and you know ukuthi udlule kulo mgwaqo waphahlaza le moto, wathatha lokho okuthathayo, sengivele ngadecide ukuthi I'm not gonna take my energy ngihambe ngiye Durban Central because angifuni ukuthi ngiphinde ngilalele elinye iphoyisa lizongixoxela ngeyitori abangazazi now. I just spoke to someone who's very senior emaphoyiseni akayizwa nanokuyizwa lento esho usayitsheni. So idriver kanjani imoto ngayithinti ngihambe yazi ngiyimagine mawudla bangena endlini yakho bagqeza endlini yakho angazi guys. I'm not a police officer, I'm so sorry. Njengoba ngisho nje ngikhuluma from a standpoint okuba umuntu nje ongazi lutho. Ngizoyiqukula kanjani indlu ngiyilethe epolice station ngithi aniyisearcheni ama locals ama fingerprint without touching it. Jesus. So it's one of those things azenzakalayo ke in this world. It's one of those things azenzakalayo in this world, but greater is he that is in us than the one is in the world. But we're not going to stop in this. So right now, if you are here and you're watching and you have a business, you're fixing motor, ama wind, because we've got a lot of things. Efanele sizenze from the was fix imoto even the fast, because I don't need no fingerprint right now. Ngifuna ufixa le moto uzokwazi ukubuyela emgwaqweni. Mangithi ngiyal-order lapha kubowayo bangitshela ukuthi ithazo order factory, so I don't even know ukuthi atholakala kuphi. So ngiyazi ukuthi khona umuntu ozuma business oba namawindi ahlele ready. So lethi Bontolo sisazokwazi uqhubeka ahambe aye endaweni zakhe ngale weekend. Nami ngiya kweminye imncwabe ngimningi ngihlalele efanele ngi-attend, and then bese ngiyahamba ngenkonzweni on Sunday. So I'm not gonna wait for 2 or 3 days for people basafana ngedrive imoto. Oh, by the way, shile bantu bafanele ngilande singiyabona. I'm so sorry guys, I missed that one. Shile bafanele ngithole in the truck edonsa imoto. Supposed to get that truck edonsa imoto ingayithinti ihambe siyidrop police stage fee ithatha ama fingerprints rather bese kuphinde ngiyithatha ngiyibuyisa ngibuya nayo. I think that's what she meant. I think I get it now. Utomnye take it to PG class. I've tried PG class. PG class uthi they no longer do imoto. They rely ekuthenini you can go buy, but they don't longer do amawindi lawo akhona. Mele ulithenga khona then ulise kubona. So yeah, man, I'm gonna keep googling, but the police, Kwanazi, I love you, my brother. I know that I've sent you an SMS now this morning, but shout out to NIU ngomsebenzi wawenza, but last ama police station othi angazi umuntu angiyenzeni uzuthi naye utheni. If I stand to be corrected, Sergeant Hlongwane, you stand to be corrected. Being a sergeant, I honor the badge. I honor iphandlo nazo nemendlela. Hey, yeah. Ngiyabonga wenkululeko Mthembu uthi benziwa manje ubuye nayo. But leyo into engayitholi welokhuza ukuthi kanjani man. Ngizafuna ukuyeza bekade enziwa unkosikazi leya ePG class, but I will make a phone call now and maybe drive to PG class, because lena ke fortunately ngihamba ngayo ayikalimali yona, ayilimele, then ngizokwazi ukuhamba ngayo ngiyobona ukuthi khona yini into engakwazi ukuyenza ngizo PG class ukuthi uthini, and then yeah, and try and do something, but yeah. Thank you so much. So I'm sorry guys, I got cut off, but that's an issue that you have, man. It's my birthday otherwise. Let me quickly go and sort out this issue, and then I will hook up with you a bit later on. Kodwa ke yeah, ningizimu Afrika ke sihlala kuyona injalo. uNkulunkulu uyanithanda nami ngiyincinga kakhulu. God bless you. So take to Umgeni Road next to Kings Park Stadium. Angitholela phela Daniel Madi. What's the name of the thing so that I can quickly go Google, because I really need to sort this car today. Sengimise is car this nama na into ngisaba wenhlakanipho ukuthi wayise police station izocwiwa. Na into ngisaba engafuni kuhamba ngiyisi yoshiwa khona. I don't have time. Angisho amaphoyisa azoyicika, but sengiyasho nje ukuthi I don't want to have leyo muntu ehleli khona la ehleli khona, but yeah man. That's what is happening right now. Ngiyanithanda ke kodwa bafowethu. Sisonke ngizon-update ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Right now I'm off to PG class and see ukuthi ayikho into engayi-negotiate nabo. Ngibashuthela iy'thombe ngibona ukuthi khona into abangayenza. Even if bafuna ukungicharge extra, but as long as tonight umuntu kalo mama, because she's got plans keep her today, so I'm from the bed down. Yeah. Bye bye bafethu. Ngiyancane.